ምን አለች? አዎ በቃ ወታ ሰዓቱን አላቆም በእርግጥ ገምቼ አልኳት፣ ግን ሰዓቱን በደንብ አላቆም። በቃ ሂዳ ውላ ስትመጣ ነው የምበላው አለች። አንዳንዴ ደግሞ ጭራሽ ስነሳ ከእንቅልፌ ውላ ቤት የለችም። ኦኬ I told them
like at the I can't
okay just take your time, don't get upset. ሰው ግን ለምንድን ነው ኮመንት ላይ ውሸታም ምናምን የምትሉት? ላይክ ልጅቷ የራሷ ታሪክ ነው። እንዴት ነው ቁጭ ብላችሁ ጃጅ የምታደርጉት ውሸታም እያላችሁ?
Okay, so yeah, and it was just stressful, like all of the social media things, like I would sit there and cry to my mom.
Daisy, don't get upset, don't cry, it's okay.
No, I would sit there and cry to my mom and tell her that social media is stressing me out. And how like sometimes like I didn't even want to go in public anywhere. And
Yeah.
By the way, like we always walked on foot. So imagine like I don't even have the privacy from people.
Yeah.
Like I was just stressed out and she told me no, Sira, no. She told me just, you know, she ignored my feelings and she still wanted me to do social media. So this is why I left. It's not because of Alex. Alex idolin. It was stressing me out so much. There are times that I can't eat, the times that I wanted to eat. And on top of that, the things she says to me, it's hurtful for a child. Like people don't understand that. Like
I know they don't.
I'm not trying to blame Habesh, just like I'm not saying that, but like you guys are so like judgmental to your children. Like you never listen to anything, and everyone's sitting here judging me. But
Daisy, these people don't pay your rent. Let me tell you one thing, okay? They don't pay your rent. You don't know these people from nowhere, so don't sit here and cry and get upset, okay? You're gonna just like I told you earlier. You're gonna say what you got to say and explain and express your feelings. If those people don't listen, that's their business, Daisy. Just ignore them, okay? So we're just gonna explain, and you're gonna say what you want to say, and I'm gonna try to help you and explain to them. If they get it, they get it. If they don't, it's not like just who cares? You don't know these people. There will be people that's going to support you. You're going to have people that are going to be understanding and they're going to support you. Some of the people they know. Okay?
yeah.
Let me tell them, okay. ያለችው በቃ አበሾች እንትን ናችሁ፣ አይረዳችሁም አንዳንዴ። ሰው ልጅቷ እና እናቷ ጋር ስትናገር እናቷ ጋር ስታወራ ምን አለቻት? ይሄን ሶሻል ሚዲያ ምናምን በቃ ማድረግ አልፈልግም ማም ስትላት አይ ቲንክ አይ ዶንት ኖ ስንቴ እንደነገረቻት ብቻ አልፈልግም ይሄን ማድረግ ስትላት፣ እናትዬው ደግሞ ይሄ በቃ ስራ ነው እና ቢዝነስ ነው እንደ ስራ አድርጋ ነው ያየችው። እኔን ልታዳምጠኝ አልቻለችም አለች። Okay, go on. I just told them that when you told your mom a few times or however times that you don't want to do this anymore, that you must consent when someone's upset.
So, I want, like, it sucks that my mom had to come to social media just because I wanted to leave out of my situation. And she put 100% of the blame on Alex, and it has nothing to do with Alex. At the end of the day, no matter what you guys say, like my love life is my love life. None of you guys can control who I want to love, but in this situation, he has nothing to do with it. So you guys can stop telling him bad things. You guys, he's like 21. Like you guys are, that's very bad. You know, like it's not okay. Like at the end of the day, my mom, you know, I'm too like stressed out to even explain myself.
Okay, let me tell them. ጋይስ ሁሉንም ትዝ አይለኝም። እሺ ይቅርታ ከአንዳንዱን እንትን ከረሳሁት። ያለችው ምንድነው አሌክስ ምንም እንትን ምንድን ልበላችሁ፣ ስለ አሌክስ አይደለም የሁሉ የተጣሉት እሷና እናቷ። ኦልሬዲ እናቴ ይሄን ችግር አይመጣም ነበር። ራሷ ናት እናቴ መታ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ራሷ ስትጀምረው ያው ይሄ እንትን ማውራት የጀመሩት ስለ ችግራቸው ማለት ነው። እንጂ ስለ አሌክስ አይደለም። አሌክስን አትበይስ፣ አትሳደቡ። አሌክስን እንትን ሌላ እንዴት ልበል? ወይኔ እግዚአብሔር ይርዳኝ። በቃ ልጁን አታጨናንቁት። እሱ አይደለም የእሷና የእናቷ ችግር ነው። ኢትስ ናቲንግ ቱ ዱ ስለ አሌክስ አይደለም። ይሄ ደግሞ አሌክስን ብትፈልግ ማንን አሌክስ ብቻ ሳይሆን የፈለገችው ወንድ ብትፈልግ የራሷ ቾይስ ነው። ኦልሬዲ 20 ዓመቷ ነው። እሺ እሱ ደግሞ እሱም ገና ልጅ ነው አለቻችሁ። እሱ ገናም 21 ዓመት ልጅ ነው። እየሄዳችሁ ምትሰ did he disrespect your mom or why did he say something, right? So do you want to explain a little bit on that one?
Like my mom, as soon as I left the toxic household, I guess she just thought, okay, like why? I know a lot of people, they were saying, okay, why did she wait 20 years then to leave?
No, I mean the part, you see the part, let's clear that one and then you can go to this one. They're going to say, why did Alex basically speak to her mom or said something bad or whatever? So do you want to say why he or who started it?
I was telling Alex about my abuse.
Okay.
And it's not like he disrespected her first and came at her first or anything. My mom started harassing him first, and Alex acted on reactions. Like imagine a girl, like as soon as your girlfriend leaves the toxic household, like her mom starts harassing you. She reports you to the embassy. She's telling people that you kidnapped her. She's saying a whole lot of nothing. Alex acted on nothing but reactions. He was defending himself. Not once did Alex's family disrespect me, and I wish my mom cared about me that much to respect him and his family. I mean, wendlage, asu wendno and aswasitnish. Respect is respect. Respect is earned, and that's something that you guys don't understand. But
okay, let me tell them.
He's very respectful, even to his family. His family is so respectful. I mean, my mom is just, I don't know. I don't know.
Let me tell
I don't
you.
know.
አሌክስ እና እነሱ ሜቢ ጠይቁሽ ይሆናል ሰዎቹ። ታዲያ አሌክስ ለምንድን ነው እናትሽ ነው የተናገረው ይላሉ ስላት አሌክስ አልተናገራትም መጀመሪያ እናቴን። የዛኔ ጭንቀቱ ምንም ሲኖራት እና አብሴት ስትሆን ምንድነው አብሴት? ይቅርታ ጋይስ እንግሊዝኛ ይቀላቀልኩኝ ነው። በቃ ልጅቷ ሲጨንቃት ዴይዚ ማለት ነው ለጓደኛዋና ለሱ እየደወለች ነግራቸው ነበረ። ያው ሁሉም ሰው ችግር ላይ ስትሆኑ ምንም ሰው ወደ ፋሚሊ ወይም ወደ ፍሬንድ ነው የሚደውሉ አይደል? ስለዚህ እንደዛ ነው ያደረገችው። ከዛ ግን አይ ቲንክ እሱ ሲያወራት ምናምን እናትየው ታውቅ ነበረ እና የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ ሁላ ኤምባሲ ላይ ሪፖርት አድርገዋለች። ምንም ሳያረጋት እየደወለች ኤምባሲ ላይ ምናምን ሪፖርት አድርገው ነበረ አዲስ አበባ አይ ቲንክ። ከወጣች በኋላም ስለሚያወሩ ስለምታውቅ እሷ ነበረች እንትን የምትለው ይሄ ስልኳ ላይ እየገባች ምናምን ቁጥሩን ወስዳ ወይም ሰድዋለች መስለኝ ልጁ። እሷ ደግሞ ምንድን ነው የምትለው ያለችው ኦብቪየስሊ ተናደው ስለነበረ በብስጭት ተናገራት እንጂ እሱ ተሳድቧት ምናምን አያውቅም ነው የምትለው ያለችው። በዛ ላይ ደግሞ እሱ በስነስርዓት ያደገ ልጅ ነው። ፋሚሊዎቹ ምናምን ሁሉም ሪስፔክት ያላቸው ሰዎች ናቸው ነው ያለችው ጋይስ።